Hi all, Jim Pollen here. This is part two of a series introducing maths for electricians using the Casio FX85GT calculator. This video introduces more functions and uses the earth electrode resistance formula as an example. The functions being introduced are in addition to the ones used in part one of the series. Log E, which is a natural log, brackets, and the shift key used when a button has dual purposes, in this instance pi. So this formula is for calculating the resistance of an earth electrode. P is the resistivity of the soil in ohms per meter, which is 100. L is the length of the rod, which is 1.2 meters. And D is the diameter rod in meters, which is 0.105. As demonstrated in part one of Maths for Electricians, we start by entering the first part of the equation, which is a fraction. The resistivity on the top line is 100. Using the cursor, go to the bottom line and enter the values, which is 2 multiplied by pi. Pi is obtained by operating the shift button and then going to the middle button of the bottom row, and you can see that pi in yellow, which is the same colour of the shift button, if we press that, we get pi, and we're multiplying that by the length of the rod, which is 1.2 meters. So that's that part of the equation entered. We use the cursor button to move on to the next part, and we can see that we have got this part of the equation, which includes brackets within brackets. So we need to open up the brackets by doing that. Now log E, we click IN, which automatically opens up the next set of brackets, which in there we've got another fraction. And the value on the top line is 8 multiplied by the length of the rod again, which is 1.2. Using the cursor button, we go to the bottom line and we enter 0.015. And we need to close the brackets of this part. So we close the brackets, cursor button first, close the brackets, and -1. Click the minus sign, 1, and we need to put the last bracket in to enclose everything in the bracket. Close it. We then use the equal sign and we get a value of 72.43 ohms, which we can round up to 73. As always, feedback is much appreciated. Many thanks.